Hello everyone. Today we are going to see how to copy folders and files list from another subfolder and paste it inside Excel file. For this, first we need to open the Excel file. I have selected one blank Excel file. We are going to paste the folders. Then I will select the subfolder where the list is available that I wanted to copy. So this subfolder, from this subfolder I am not going to select all, but if you want to select all, you can select everything by pressing Ctrl A, but I am going to select only certain folders by pressing Shift key, and I am going to select certain folders only. Then Shift right mouse click and select copy as path. Minimize the subfolder. Again, right mouse click on the Excel file and paste. Now the list is available here, but with path. Including the path, the list is available here. In case you don't like to have the path here, you can remove the path by replace command. To do this, select the path, copy, find and select, replace, find what, paste that second path, replace with, keep it blank, and press replace all. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.